The trainees came on board on Monday, and for the last 3 days we've had them removing the rubble from the demolition of various structures that were built on the lower deck of the ship. They have shifted many tons of debris, skipped it, and relieved us of a massive headache.
I'm a CalMac Modern Apprentice, and on board our vessels we go from painting to just doing general maintenance on a ship to helping tie ups and leave ports and go into ports, and we steer the ship and do watch duties. It's been a great change working on an older vessel, and it's been a good learning experience for us all as well.
The kind donation of labour from CalMac with the Modern Apprentices has undoubtedly assisted us in the progress of this work. What would have taken us several weeks to accomplish with volunteers, we have largely completed within 3 days.